how to solve the Skewb cube.
Right, okay, here we are with our Skewb cube right here, and let's start solving it. The first step, well, at the end of the first step you want your cube to look a bit like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to get these blue corners and put them into place, but make sure that these two colours match. So these two colours obviously do not match, so those don't go in together. And you keep searching for places to put. Okay, so these two match and they're both blue.
And orange.
You only need to get 3 for us to get onto the next step of this step. Here we are back again with our cube. So I've got 3 corners solved and one of the corners won't go up. So what we're going to do is there are 2 cases that this corner could be in, or you could have solved all 4. So if you've only solved 3 and that one's either here or here, so if it is here, you're going to do algorithm 2, and if it is here, you're going to do algorithm 1. They are both on the screen now. Right, so my case is to do algorithm 2, so I'm going to do that right now. And as you can see, I have solved the blue face with all these corners matching. Right, so the next step is to solve all of these green corners. Now as you can see, I've already solved them. And so I am going to show a video of what would happen if they weren't solved. Right, this is the short video. So there are 2 cases that your cube could look like right now. They are on the screen now. And so on my cube I have the second face. This middle face, the middle piece is irrelevant. So I'm going to hold my cube with the 2 solved corners up here and here, and then the other 2 like that. And do algorithm 3, which is very simple. Up, up, down, down. And so now I've ended up with the first case, which is where there's 2 next to each other on the left. So I'm going to hold it like that and do algorithm 3. And there we are, I've got the solved corners. Right, so here we are back again with our cube with the 4 green solved corners. And our next step is to make this green centerpiece to go up here. It's quite simple. You hold that there, hold the corners up here, and then you do algorithm 4, which is on the screen now. Okay, I'm going to do algorithm 4. In algorithm 4, those 2 lines mean turn the cube, and it's twice. So I'm going to turn the cube twice. As you can see, I've solved the top. Right, there are 2 cases your cube could be doing right now. One of the cases is all 4 centerpieces are not solved, and that's what I have here. And the other case is that one of these 4 faces are solved. So I'm going to do my case right now. What I'm supposed to do is I hold the blue face on the left and the green face on the right, and do algorithm 4. As you can see, I have solved one of the 4 of these 4 faces. And so this is the first case now, which there is 3 centerpieces to be solved. So you hold the blue face on the left, the solved face, which is not blue or green on the bottom, green on the right, and you do algorithm 4 once or twice. As you can see, it hasn't worked for me, so I'm going to do it one more time. And there we are. I've solved the Skewb cube. I'm going to show you all the algorithms now. And thanks for watching.